If you can't log in on WhatsApp, it may be a problem with WhatsApp server, and in that video I'm going to show you how to check if it really is. And all you have to do is open up your browser and in the search box type in WhatsApp down and hit search. Now hit on that link to open up downdetector.com, and there at that website it says that now user reports indicate no current problems at WhatsApp. You can scroll down to see that graph of WhatsApp reports in the last 24 hours. And also here you can report a problem if you really has the problem. You can click on sending messages, app or website. If you can't log in to your app, just hit on app and basically you just send a report that you have right now problems with your app. And also you can scroll down to comments and read what other users read here about that current situation with their WhatsApp accounts. If they got some problems, you can read it right there in the comments. So maybe WhatsApp servers are down right now, and in that case you just have to wait for some time and try to log in again. Hit the like button if that information was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.